Hey, what's up? You're curious about what we do, what it is, and can it possibly work for you? The deal is we make money marketing and selling a health supplement that makes it easier for you to lose weight. The supplement comes in capsule or drink form, and it ranges from $30 to $170 depending on what you get with it. I'm Richie McCaney. This was me all the way back in 2016. A FedEx worker that did not feel great about his weight. Now, on the outside, I was happy, I was confident, but on the inside, I felt ashamed and I felt guilty because I knew I could do better. Like I knew I was better than this. This is my wife, Amanda, around the same time. Obviously, she was a wife, a mom, and at the time, a social worker that constantly sacrificed for others, even at the expense of her own health. She struggled sometimes with self-worth, and then she just ate food to feel better. Like eating was her coping mechanism. Now, this was us after the supplements. Hello. She lost over 100 pounds in about 12 months. I lost about 50 pounds in around 6 months. The supplements helped make it easier for us to lose weight, period. There is no denying that. Those are facts. It's called Truvy, and it comes as a combo. The true side of the combo helps the body to operate more efficiently by leveling out the blood chemistry, and also by targeting like the bad fats that surround the organs and around the midsection and stuff. The V, now it helps with energy and sugar cravings, and it is a destroyer, an absolute destroyer of appetite, for me at least. See, I now currently do intermittent fasting. And with this supplement, it helps making doing that a breeze. Now, you can test out the capsules by getting a 7-day experience kit for $30. Now, it's 2 pills 2 times a day. Typically at breakfast, you'll take 2 pills, and then again around lunch, you'll take 2 more. Or as of right now, you can get 14 days of the drink, which has the same contents as both capsules, but they put it into one drink packet. So it's 1 drink 2 times a day for $75 retail. Now you can choose between the 2 flavors of Citrine Spark or the Ruby Rev. They are both great products, okay? And they both do the same thing. They're just, you take them in different forms. The drink works faster because of the delivery method, right? It's a liquid, so you don't have to wait for the capsules to break down. And you're taking it with water, so it also helps to kill the appetite even more. I believe it to be better. Okay, that's my personal opinion. However, it's a drink. You might not like the taste. Some do, and some do not. I personally enjoy the drink, especially for what it does. But both are amazing. And, I switch between the 2. They are absolutely the perfect sidekick for weight loss. But in order for them to work best, listen to me, you've got to be the superhero on your weight loss journey. They won't do all the work. They sidekick, bro. They're not going to do it all. Now, we know that losing weight is no problem. Everyone knows how. And the supplements, now they will make it easier. But keeping the weight off once it's gone, that was the struggle for me. Would you really be happy if you lost all the weight and then you gained it back? Would you really feel successful if that happened? I know I didn't. I got more on that in just a second. Now, if you're just wanting something to make it easier to lose the weight and you don't have any problem keeping it off once it's gone, well, then you can go ahead and you can, click the link that's below this video for that health supplement. If there is no link, then you can get the referral link from the accountability partner that sent you this video. Just get back with them and they'll provide that referral link for you. However, now if you want to keep the weight off, right? If you want help keeping that weight off for good, once it's gone, there's hope. I want you to check out this free bonus. This is something we put together. It's amazing. This was me, January 1st, 2021. I gained back 255 pounds. As of the recording of this video, this was the beginning of this year. I gained all my weight back, and it was due to one major problem. I didn't love the process that helped me to lose the weight. I just love the results I got from the process. So when the results showed up, guess what? I slacked off on all my good behaviors, and the weight, sneaky little weight, it snuck right back up. Look at that. Pitiful. So what I did was I designed the ETM accountability model. Now, this thing comes complimentary with the purchase of the supplements, and it helps make it much easier to keep the weight off so you don't have to put all your hope in just supplements. If you're curious about that, then you should be able to find the Keep Weight Off button on this page, press it, and watch the next short video on how the ETM accountability model actually works. Now, I would like for you to do this before you purchase so that you can take advantage of this bonus offer. Learn to experience the most and catch me in the other video. All right. Hey, keep experiencing the most. Love, peace, and chicken grease. I'm out.